The manufacturing industry is taking a leap to Industry 4.0 by integrating new technologies like 5G, Internet of Things, IoT, cloud computing, AI and analytics into their operations. And the future of Industry 4.0 is not only about connecting everything, but also about how things are connected. Digital connectivity plays a critical role here. L&T, one of India's largest multinational conglomerates, wanted to enhance productivity and operational efficiency at their plant. Spread over 750 acres, L&T's Heavy Engineering IC, HEIC, is one of the strategic ICs within L&T Group. It has established a reputation in global markets for quality products. It is the preferred supplier of equipment for a select range of products globally. It engineers and manufactures high-end, custom-built critical equipment and systems to the needs of core sectors in process industries, including fertilizer, chemical, refinery, petrochemical, oil and gas, as well as thermal and nuclear power sectors. To enhance the operational efficiency, automation is paramount. They needed access to real-time data for timely decision-making and collaboration across departments. And seamless connectivity is a key enabler in facilitating that. V-Business, in partnership with L&T Smart World and Communications and Nokia, deployed the proof of concept of private network, which is an underlay for all the use case solutions that helps L&T Heavy Engineering to transform their business operations.
We at Heavy Engineering have embraced digital technologies to differentiate our products and services. At our digitally enabled AM-NIC Heavy Engineering complex, we have deployed 110 IIoT welding smart workstations, which helped us establish not only reliable, consistent on-time delivery performance for our customers, but also created new global benchmark through significant improved productivity and established world-class quality for our products. Having a more reliable and stable network is one of the most critical building blocks. Therefore, we are in the process of exploring future technologies such as private LTE networks at very advanced stage.
L&T Heavy Engineering today is proof that digital transformation can be done at scale and speed and yields tremendous benefits and transforms how people work and take data-driven decisions. We are confident that technology like private network will not only facilitate seamless connectivity and coverage across our plant and also help us achieve increase in productivity with greater automation across various Industry 4.0 applications, drive improved collaboration.
For industries to pivot to their digital journey, seamless connectivity and robust digital infrastructures are absolutely the need of the hour. With captive private networks leveraging 4G and 5G technologies in India, we strongly believe that these captive private networks address this need and is here to stay. These networks enable the required coverage, efficiencies, and security for such manufacturing plants in their journey towards Industry 4.0, which ultimately improves the overall plant efficiency. At L&T's AM-NIC Heavy Engineering plant in Hazira, L&T Smart World and Communication business, along with our network partner Vodafone Idea and OEM partner Nokia, have initiated this journey and enabled a roadmap for digital transformation leveraging a private 4G LTE network. We also helped realize multiple use cases over the network, and we are working on several others.
We helped set up a private network that would offer secure and seamless plant-wide coverage while ensuring low latency and a superior experience across the location. It operates as a dedicated network for the facility alone and allows manufacturing units and departments to connect seamlessly. The private network helped penetrate the vessels beyond 50 mm to achieve seamless collaboration through smart devices, laptops, tablets, and microcontrollers.
Digitalizing industrial operations enables split-second decisions, process reconfiguration, and attaining new level of efficiencies, especially around automation, self-optimization of process improvements, and predictive maintenance. Hundreds of industrial enterprises worldwide have deployed Nokia private wireless solutions for business connectivity to switch on their digital transformation journey. With close to 500 private wireless customers worldwide, we are uncontested market leader in the private wireless space. We at Nokia are extremely proud to partner with Vodafone Idea and L&T Smart World Communications in creating a first commercial private network in India at the L&T Heavy Engineering Hazira campus to meet the requirements of Industry 4.0 applications today and enable the 5G revolution for tomorrow.
Not only that, low-latency real-time feeds during TOFD examination allowed them to achieve accuracy and get the quality right the first time. Seamless movement of enterprise system communication on cranes was made possible, along with the ability to conduct HD quality virtual tours with the uninterrupted private network. It doesn't end here. The solution also helped L&T Heavy Engineering maximize worker safety by monitoring several high-risk areas. With this cutting-edge solution, we shaped the future of manufacturing and became a leading telecom company to provide a high-performance and reliable private network on a large scale.
We Business is a true market leader in offering innovative solutions and cutting-edge technologies to its customers. We are excited today to announce our partnership with L&T Smart World and Communications for the launch of private network solutions. Based on our future-ready 5G network infra and with Nokia's expertise, this private network solution offers multiple use cases to power Industry 4.0, especially for large-scale manufacturing entities. Use cases like autonomous guided vehicles, industry robots, and high-tech surveillance and camera. Private network solutions are here, and at We Business, we are all set to enable it for you.
This is just the beginning of greater innovations to come. Private networks are here to transform your business, and we are all set to enable it for you.